आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव।
Azadi Ka Safar with AIR News. Birth of a Nation. India's glorious freedom struggle is one of the greatest struggles the modern world has ever witnessed. AIR News brings you a glimpse of the struggle every day.
Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister of independent India, was born on November the 14th, 1889 at Allahabad. After getting educated at home until the age of 16, Nehru went to Harrow, a leading English school, where he stayed for 2 years. From Harrow, he went to Trinity College, Cambridge.
On leaving Cambridge, he qualified as a barrister after 2 years at the Inner Temple, London. On his return to India, Nehru at first tried to settle down as a lawyer, but he was an unsuccessful attorney.
Until he met Mahatma, he was not interested in anything. Jawaharlal was attracted by Gandhi's insistence to fight against the British rule of India without fear or hate. Nehru's role in Indian politics was secondary until he was elected president of the Congress Party in 1929, when he presided over the historic session at Lahore that proclaimed complete independence as India's political goal.
Nehru was one of the principal leaders of India's independence movement in the 1930s and 40s. From the year 1921 to 1945, he served 8 periods of detention, totaling 9 years in jail. Post-independence, Jawaharlal was elected to assume office as independent India's first Prime Minister.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
As the Prime Minister of the new Republic, Nehru contributed immensely towards building a democratic polity, planned economy and industrial development. He also focused on high education institutions and far-sighted policies in developing space technology and atomic energy.
He served as the Prime Minister for 18 years, first as the interim Prime Minister and from 1950 as the Prime Minister of the Republic of India. Nehru also became noted for his neutralist, non-aligned policies in foreign affairs. Jawaharlal Nehru passed away on 27th of May 1964.
A widely admired author, his books written in prison, such as Letters from a Father to His Daughter, an autobiography, and The Discovery of India, 1946, are still read around the world.
Marathwada public leader Anantrao Bhalerao was born on 14th of November 1918 in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, fondly known as Anna. He was a journalist who lived a valued life. He jumped into the Hyderabad liberation struggle movement at a young age, for which he was imprisoned.
In 1944, he started an agitation against the Nizam government's compulsion to recover levies. Anant Rao, along with Vaghmare, edited the newspaper Marathwada. Anant Rao took the role of protecting the rights of the people by presenting the complaints of the people in the Marathwada newspaper and exposing the injustice done to them.
The paper was banned in the state of Hyderabad. On 15th of August 1947, a call was made to carry out satyagraha by hoisting tricolour flags in homes and public places. This led to a scuffle with the Nizam's armed police.
Anant Rao had led all these battles. With the ending of Nizam's rule in 1948, Marathwada was relaunched. Anna also had to go to the Nasik jail once again during the emergency in 1975. Anant Rao died on the 26th of October 1995. He is remembered as a great public leader and nationalist journalist even today.
14th of November is also the birth anniversary of Pilu Modi. Modi was an architect and politician and one of the founding members of the Swatantra Party. He was educated at the Doon School, Dehradun, and the University of California, Berkeley, from where he graduated with a master's degree in architecture.
In political life, Modi was an advocate of liberalism and freedom. In 1967, he was elected to the 4th Lok Sabha, representing the Godhra constituency in Gujarat. In 1971, he was re-elected and served in the 5th Lok Sabha until March 1977. In 1975, at the time of the emergency in India, Modi was imprisoned. On the 10th of April 1978, Modi was elected to the Rajya Sabha and served there until his death in 1983.
That brings us to the end of this episode of Azadi Ka Safar AIR News ke Sang. See you in the next episode tomorrow.